que nos des un pinche cuarto, si no ahorita te tumbo los pinches ojos, güey.
Someone tell me what he's saying. What the is he saying, dude? I don't speak Taco Bell.
All of the things I do.
Who in the hell put the muffins in the freezer? The Muffin Man.
The Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man!
It's not that fucking hard. Swing, snap, grind.
Steven, what are you doing in there?
Drugs.
By the book, you know you can't be lazy. Never use a messy recipe. The cake will end up crazy. If you do the cooking by the book, then you'll have.
Back it down, bitch. Let me see you back it up.
Gotta do the cooking by the book. You know you can't be lazy. Never use a messy recipe. The cake will end up crazy. If you do the cooking by the book, then you'll have a cake.
Peel the avocado, peel the avocado. Guacamole, guacamole, guacamole.
Might just go psycho.
What's up, you fabulous bitch? Stop being a depressed little shit and come with me to Starbucks. We're getting frappuccinos.
Finally, now I can keep these pennies to myself. What the hell?
I smell pennies!
I might not be the best person, but if my kid is crying at the dinner table because they don't understand their math homework, I'm not gonna yell at them. Bitch, I'm gonna fucking cry with them. I don't understand math.
And if you call us a bitch, make sure you put stupid in front of it, whack asshole. My way, this way, bitch. My way, or the high.
Stay with me, I'm alright. I wanna hold ya.